warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Indonesia, peace out to all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Winda Andayani, the representative of University of Muhammadiyah Jember for selection mahasiswa berprestasi 2017. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to discuss about how to decreasing the impact of natural disaster, especially landslide, by evacuation tool EAT, Evacuation Adjuvant Technology. Disaster is a sudden, calamitous event that seriously disrupts the function of community or society and cause human, material, economic, or environmental losses. In Indonesia, the number of disasters have been recorded by BNPB, National Disaster Control Agency. Approximately 1,707 people died. Disasters include earthquakes, landslides, forest fire, tsunami, volcanic eruption, hurricanes, and others. But the several types of disasters, landslides become the center of attention in East Java, particularly in Jember, because it is one of disasters that takes people's life. The cause of death for the victims that were buried alive by landslides when trauma caused a sudden death from multiple head injuries, a delayed death from head injuries, skull fracture, pelvic fracture, and abdomen trauma. Based on the data from the Center for Health Crisis in 2016, it recorded the number of landslide disasters that occurred in Mambulsari, Jember, East Java on 7th of December 2016, namely 3 people, consisting 1 person died, 0 people missing, and 2 minor injuries. The above-mentioned measures can be realized the equipment which new innovated in the form of the leader that has high specification which has been modified with a blend of both tools is effective enough to reduce the risk of trauma for the victim affected by natural disaster. This is because AET is a specification of first aid in the form of a leader, an oxygen tank, collar necks, and a spleen. Thus the evacuation becomes more optimal. TEA is a palanquin which aims to evacuate the victim of natural disaster, especially landslide. On both sides of the pillars, they are made a special tube contains oxygen, can supply oxygen directly to victim in trauma case. It is often obtained that a trauma patient is shocked, especially hypothalamic shock, so that the oxygen volume in the blood is reduced. At the top of stretchers, it's equipped with a neck collar with a longer surface in order to fix the collarbone and spinal or neck bone. The goal is to maintain symmetry between the cervical vertebrae and spinal bone. The things that are very risky in the case of trauma is an injury to the spinal, because in the collarbone and spinal bone there are spinal cord in nerve fibers, so that when the spinal cord impaired or pinched between the bones of neck and spine, it will cause of death, and this is often encountered when the evacuation process. The things that very risky and does not experience any movement. will use and operate evacuation tools EAT. The first is an observation of the victim. We look at possibility of any pain injury or trauma experienced by the victim. If the victim suffered hypovolemic shock, then we need to provide oxygen dissection. And we need to stop bleeding surge. If the victim is fractured, then fix with a spline by removing the spline exiting hook on each side stretchers, and then connect it. If the victim only experience a fracture on one side of the hook, so then we need to open only one side. After treatment is complete, then the belt is paired and the patient can be immediately evacuated.